How to check Snapchat My Eyes Only without password. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to access your Snapchat My Eyes Only without needing the password. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your iPhone or Android device. To find My Eyes Only, tap on the two cards at the bottom left on the screen, then swipe to the right until you reach the My Eyes Only section. You will see a prompt asking for your password, which is a 4-digit code. If you have tried several codes and still can't remember the password, tap on Options in the bottom right corner and select Forgot Password. You'll need to enter your Snapchat account password. Please note that if you forget your My Eyes Only password, you won't be able to access it again. If you choose to create a new password, you will lose all the content currently saved in your My Eyes Only account. Unfortunately, there's no way to recover that content if you don't remember the original 4-digit passcode. If you still want to proceed, tap I understand and then continue at the bottom. However, I recommend trying to remember your passcode by thinking of different combinations such as significant dates or numbers you often use. This way you can avoid losing access to your photos and videos. I hope this information helps you. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.